If you're tired of tying your laces or are looking for a clean, tucked-away aesthetic for your shoes, Always Barefoot is proud to present no-tie laces. To install your new laces, you will need a pair of awesome shoes, a pair of no-tie elastic laces, a pair of magnetic buckles or fasteners, a lighter, and a pair of scissors. The first step is to remove the laces that are currently on your shoes. Once your old laces are removed, put the shoes on your feet and find a comfortable position to sit in. We will first cover how to install your laces using the magnetic buckle. The lacing style we will demonstrate here is called under-over, where the laces go underneath the grommet and come out over the top. Start by evenly threading the lace between the two bottom holes. Remember, begin from underneath and take the lace out through the top of the hole. Many shoes also have a loop right in the middle of the tongue. Be careful not to miss it. It's recommended to leave one side of the lace extra short, while the rest of the slack is threaded to the other side of the lace. As you thread the extra slack from one side of the lace to the other, make sure that you're properly tightening the laces to your preferred comfort level as you go. The extra left over can be used as bonus material, which we will demonstrate possible uses for at the end of this video. Pull the extra slack out of one end of the lace, grab on underneath where you will cut the lace, and cut a straight line. Once you have cut the lace, burn the new tip with a lighter. Burning the tip will make it easier to slide the lace into the magnetic buckle. Close the latch of the buckle, and the teeth on the inside will grab on tight to the lace. Give a few small tugs to ensure that the teeth have latched on properly. Repeat the same process on the other side of the lace. Be careful not to cut your laces too short, as this is not possible to fix. When finished, buckle up your shoe and slide in and out of the shoe once or twice to make sure that everything has been tightened properly. If the shoe fits too loosely, simply remove the magnetic buckle, cut the end of the lace, burn the tip, reinstall the magnetic buckle, and refit the shoe. Do this as many times as necessary until it fits just right. Next, we'll go over how to install your no-tie shoelaces using the hidden fasteners. These fasteners lie underneath and adjacent to any hole that you choose on the shoe. Using the hidden fasteners opens up a lot more opportunities for different lacing styles, and we encourage you to experiment to find out which one is best for you. However, whatever style you choose, we do recommend using the over-under technique so you can hide the fastener right underneath the lip of the shoe. Thread the laces through every hole, starting at the top of each one and coming out the bottom. If there is a loop in the middle of the tongue of your shoe, make sure not to forget it. Make sure to go back and tighten the laces all the way down to your preferred comfort level. When placing the fastener, make sure to get it as flush as possible to the underside of the lip of the shoe while threading through the first hole, adjacent to the T-shape of the fastener. Once the lace is through the first hole, loop it back around and push it through the second, which is adjacent to the teeth of the fastener. Once the lace is securely through both holes, wrap it around the teeth of the fastener and then thread it through the T-shape on the other side. Once the fastener is installed, cut the extra lace, making sure to leave at least an extra inch. Repeat the installation on the other side. Once both the fasteners are installed, remove the shoe from your foot once or twice and put it back on to make sure that the tightness is to your liking. Well done! Your shoes are now better looking and easier to put on than ever before. Depending on the size of your own shoes, you may have enough lace left over for a whole other pair of shoes. In most cases, there should at least be enough for a pair of children's shoes. Simply use the remaining tip to thread the shoe from one top hole to the other, following the pattern of your own shoelaces for reference. If you use the fasteners to install your no-tie laces, then the leftover laces and the magnetic buckle can be used to make fun things like small bracelets and other jewelry. Enjoy your new laces!